Let's take a quick look at how to set up automated enhanced conversions in Google Ads. Now, first of all, you'll log into your Google Ads account. Then from there, if you hover over goals, you're going to see this kind of center selector here with conversions. And if you go to settings under conversions, under goals here, you're going to see a couple of different options. And right now we can see customer data terms not accepted, enhanced conversions for leads not configured, enhanced conversions not configured. These three right here it's literally just a couple of clicks to get it set up, and you can start utilizing enhanced conversions. And it's basically automated. There's not a lot you have to do if you do it this way that I'm going to show you. That being said, it's going to be primarily data that Google is able to pull from the Google Ads tag. So you need to make sure that your tag from Google, like if you go over here to conversion summary, you're going to be able to set up different conversion actions like submit lead form, which will give you a tag that you can put on your website for conversion tracking. It's kind of beyond the scope of this video. I have other videos on my channel talking about that. That being said, once that tag is on there, you'll see that it's going to give us the option. Let's see, first, I believe we have to accept all of the data for enhanced conversions, or accept the data terms for enhanced conversions. And then we can utilize the selector here to turn on enhanced conversions for leads. Now, what it means by leads is people that fill out a form on your website. So you can see it says submit lead form user data. So this is basically just going to use your Google tag or your Google tag manager to be able to take data from people who submit a lead form on your website and pass that data through the enhanced conversions channel back to Google so that it has more data about who's converting on your website. This is all designed to help maintain the data attribution as cookies start to go away, which is something that is just going to continue to happen over time, it seems. Now, once we check this box, I would suggest using the Google tag. And we can see here that it already knows that our Google tag is installed on our website because it's been collecting some data already. So it's basically already set to go. Now we just click save, and now we are actually starting to utilize enhanced conversions for leads. Very straightforward and easy, right? That's why I call this the automated enhanced conversion setup, because basically all you do is install the tag and you just turn this on and Google's going to go do the rest of the work for you. There's a way to do this manually. It's a lot more in depth, and you really kind of have to understand coding and different things that websites utilize to pass data around. So it gets pretty technical pretty quickly, which is why I love this option, because if you're not super tech savvy and you're not like a developer by trade, you can still get this set up pretty quick and easy. So make sure you accept the terms. You can turn on enhanced conversions for leads. And then we can come down here and also turn on this enhanced conversions option here. And once again, it is going to allow us to use our Google tag. I'm just going to click save. It's going to take some time to populate with some data, but it should start automatically detecting user data from the website and allow it to pass that back to Google Ads. And really, it just gives us more granular data. And the better your data is in your account, the more data you have, usually the better off you're going to be. So those are the three main things when it comes to setting up these automated enhanced conversions. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of how to set this all up, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.